Guess what finally came? Let's see. Probably already have an idea by the shape of it. Oh. And I have here the black cowl. That's C-O-W-L, cowl. For my Jeep. Yay. Excited. Okay, so let's go put them on. See how they look. Hey guys, WrangLEE here to do an install on my Jeep. So, as I did the review earlier on the cowl armor plates, yes, those beautiful babies will be going on my Jeep today, and I'm just going to show you how. It's really quick to do, easy install. For people looking for a quick, easy way to change the look of your Jeep, these are it. Alright guys, here's the before. There are the covers. There's 2 of them for each side. The 3M tape on the back. So what I'm going to do first is kind of just clean off the spot where I'm going to be placing these with an alcohol pad. Why? Because I'm lazy and I'm a nurse and I have lots of alcohol pads in my car to use. So you might want to, wash your car if you can, but if not, this works just fine. It's squeaky clean. She wasn't that dirty. Okay, maybe she was a little dirty. All right, we'll just sit that in there. It's not littering. Okay, so I'm going to take the first plate and I'm going to just line it up, see if it fits. And as you can see, that is the incorrect way. These are dummy proof. There's no way to put them on wrong. And that is going to be our finished look, guys. Yes. Yes, yes. Okay, let's do it. Pressure on here for a minute, 2. All right. Hopefully it doesn't come off. If so, put it back on. Just like that. Do the same thing, the other side, and you're done.